In Maharashtra, the state unit of the Indian Medical Association has called for a 24-hour statewide suspension of routine medical services. Doctors are protesting the state government's decision to grant Maharashtra Medical Council registration to eligible homeopathy practitioners. Well, under the state policy, homeopaths who complete the one-year certificate course in modern pharmacology or CCMP are permitted to integrate basic allopathic treatment into their practice, particularly to strengthen healthcare services in rural areas. The IMA is opposing the move, claiming it would compromise the standards, integrity and scientific foundation of modern medicine with potentially serious long-term consequences. The withdrawal of routine medical services began at 6 a.m. this morning and will continue until 6 a.m. on August 5. Emergency, casualty and other life-saving services will continue to ensure uninterrupted patient care. In fact, the IMA's call has been backed by the Association of Resident Doctors, medical interns, severe specialty medical organizations as well. Central Unit of Maharashtra Association of Resident Doctors, or MARD, has submitted a final representation to Chief Minister Devendra Fadnavis, urging him to halt the proposed registration until the Bombay High Court delivers its final verdict.
It is a five and a half year of course, and this is a 1 year of course. The course is not equivalent, training is not equivalent, but the degree is equivalent. So it is diluting the medical, the structure of medical education, and it is tremendous matter of patient safety, because what we are learning in 5.5 years that cannot be managed within 1 year. So that is the first concern we have.
We was in MBBS curriculum, so we get taught that how the drug act, there's a mechanism of action, it was drug reaction, how they go in your body, how they react and how they act. But they don't know, because they are from their own practice. So thing was ki if anything happened, who will be responsible for that?
So how can we compare the equality of what the MBBS students are studying for so many years compared to what the BHMS students are doing it within that 6 months or 1 year of course? That's it. Thank you.
Thank you. Your name?
Dr. Vedangi.
Meanwhile, homeopathic doctors have threatened to stage a sit-in stir outside the state secretariat to press their demand for registration with the Maharashtra Medical Council. The protest has widened, with doctors from other Ayush streams also extending their support. Our principal correspondent Disha Yadav has sent us this report from Mumbai.
Well, that is right. A major healthcare disruption is unfolding across Maharashtra as around 2 lakh allopathy doctors have withdrawn their routine medical services for the next 24 hours. They have withdrawn the services when it comes to OPDs, and only emergency services are operational as we speak. They say that they are protesting against the state government's decision to facilitate Maharashtra Medical Council registration to the homeopathy doctors who have completed just 1 year of the modern medicine course, which in a simple term we can say it as CCMP. Now these protesting doctors, they say that the major reason for them is that 1 year of course cannot be equated to a 5 or a 6 year MBBS degree. They also say that this might also put patients into a risk zone if all the homeopathy doctors do end up giving wrong medicine for the treatment which is needed. So now, to bring a deadlock to this entire situation, Maharashtra government is planning to hold a crucial meeting between the representatives of both the homeopathy as well as allopathy doctors in a day or two. With video journalist Mangesh, this is Disha reporting here for WION from Mumbai.